Hey up, all the way from sunny, that's the sunny Lincoln, cheer. We've got a break in the weather, so I'm out here smashing it, ready for the 6 o'clock release tonight. We've got 2 videos tonight, 2 videos, 6 o'clock. Go to the channel and have a look. One of them's a mechanical repair and the other one's a Snowfoam review. One of them is a fan situation on a Seat, which may apply to quite a few cars if you're having this issue. The other one is me, all in my glory, reviewing CARSPüNK. Now, not many people have heard about this, and every time I say it, it makes me giggle and everyone I'm talking to giggle. Great name. So, here's what we're doing. CARSPüNK Snowfoam. I've got it already locked and loaded inside the MJJC Snowfoam lance. We've got 900ml of water and we've got 100ml of product. As I was saying, my son, he does love coming out here, seeing what we're getting up to. But we've got it locked and loaded in the MJJC Snowfoam cannon, which was fantastic. They did great work last time we reviewed it, and it's starting to rain now, so it's looking good. Anyway, 900ml of warm water, 100ml of product. This is wound right up. I'm going to show you, literally, the review of CARSPüNK. So here's the bottle again. All the links to everything I use, including that, will be down in the description. So, quick release. I've got my quick release attachment on the MJJC just to make life so much easier. So, lovely Lexi, who's behind the camera, we will get her on the camera today. We had a bit of a shocker last week and it didn't actually happen. I'm sure she really wants to be on the camera just to see you all. So, as I've said, perfectly mixed according to the bottle. So, that's how we go. Here we are, sports fans. Take me a couple of seconds to start it up. No water in it at the minute, I've only just turned it on. And I could edit that out, but it's ace when people see things go wrong. We're not all perfect. So here we go anyway. Oh. I've done the whole car as quickly as that. It's that easy with this MJJC. We've still got a little bit left. It does, when it's on maximum foam, use quite a bit of product, so just bear that in mind. I want to show you just how much of a layer of foam we can actually build up. Brilliant. So, on camera, right, we're running out of foam in the lance now. So if we disconnect it and we put it down, the wide base, if it was on a solid ground, it'd be alright. So, over to the car, if you come nice and close, we have got, it's like cake batter. It's that thick. It's building up on the floor like actual snow. Now, the MJJC lance mixed with a fantastic foaming snow product like CARSPüNK. Yeah, as you can see, the proof is in the pudding. Now, my car is not the dirtiest, so I'll see if I can review as much of the cleaning power as I can, purely based on the fact my car's never really that dirty. But as you can see, if you have a look down there, it dripping off the car. It's like shaving foam consistency, which is absolutely awesome. Now, like I say, you mix a good Snowfoam product with a good Snowfoam lance, you're all over it, and it's running off the car nicely. If we point towards the camera, point the camera at the car, sorry, you're going to see how quick the bubbles are. So have a look at the camera, the car, sorry, again. You can see it running down, see it dropping off the bottom. Absolutely phenomenal stuff. So, like I say, the car wasn't dirty when I started. I'm going to blast it off now. I'm not going to bring you on camera for that because you've seen everyone blast off Snowfoam. It's on YouTube all over the place. So I'm reviewing the product, seeing the foam cannon, seeing the mixture. The mixture's what it says on the bottle. So I'm going to pause it here. I'm going to blast a bit off, and in fact no, I'm going to do it on camera. I'm going to blast a bit off. So lovely Lexi, who's well practiced in her camera skills, so Can we get some love for her in the comments down below? Because from where she started to where she is now is absolutely night and day. And it is her birthday on Thursday. So Thursday, the 7th of October, she's 11. Getting old. Where did the years go? Madness, madness. So yeah, Thursday's her birthday. So this is her last filming of being 10 years old. So let's make it a good one. Lots of love down in the comments, please. She enjoys seeing it, I enjoy seeing it, and again, we get to see a product at the same time. So, I've got my 25-degree nozzle. I've got my quick release. Let's blast it off and see what we've got. Here we go. Winner. Right, if we come down here, the lovely Lexi's going to show you the wheel. Now, my wheels are minging, they always are, and doesn't matter if I clean it like the day before or whatever, the wheels are disgusting. So we can see, just looking down here, it's not designed to take off embedded dirt, ingrained dirt, the layers and layers of mud. It's not designed to do that. It's meant to get the top layer off, get rid of all the crap that sits on the top layer, road film, and then leaves you a nice surface to get clean the rest of it. So I want to show you just me blasting off a wheel. As you can see, I've not touched it, so I can draw a smiley face in it. So I want to see if the snow foam's actually loosened up anything, and whether it's just a snowy gimmick or it's actually really good. So let's have a look on camera. So I've rinsed the wheel off that had the snow foam on it. Now nobody wants to see a snow foam that does an immaculate job. One, it just doesn't look like it's an actual readily available product, and two, people think you're talking out your exhaust pipe. So I want to show you that it's done a really, really good job. You can still see where I've drawn the smiley face. We get right in there so we can see it, just there, but you can't see it as much. And again down here, just where I've drawn on it, on the wheel, you cannot see that as much as you could before. So the product's very, very good. Very, very good. It's done exactly what it's designed to do. It's not a wash product or anything like that. It's a pre-wash. Get rid of the traffic film, get rid of that little layer of grime and dust that the car accumulates just driving down the road, and then the rest of it's down to you doing a bit more decontamination and then actually washing it with your 2-bucket method, your 1-bucket method. However you're going to do it, snow foam is very much pre-wash. Now this snow foam by CARSPüNK, great name, love it. I hope they can see this. I'm going to send the video link to them as well, just so they can actually see. They've got a fantastic product, and it is. And at the bottom it says, high foaming detergent, a must for any keen detailer. Yeah, totally agree, totally agree. You've got a little bit of instruction on the back, which is exactly what I've used. 900 ml of water to 100 ml of product is the best way. Obviously you can up that if you want, if your car's absolutely hammered, but again, it's a good ratio and it's a very, very good product. The bottle is exactly what it says it is. It's a litre bottle. They sell it in litres. Like I say, the link will be down in the description for this product. They do sell all sorts as well, and I believe they're from up Manchester way, so up north. Yeah, so it's a massive thumbs up from me. It's a great product, as you've seen. The foam is great, and it's done a really good job of doing what it should do, and just taking that top layer of rubbish off your car, ready to do the rest of the wash. So that's me for this snow foam review. Go and give CARSPüNK some love on Instagram. Go and give them some love. They're even on TikTok as well. Again, links are down in the description. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the birthday girl for Thursday onto the camera. She likes to hide behind it and you never really see her. So we're going to do it now. As you can see, I'm going to rinse the rest of the car off, get it nice and clean, ready for a fresh week of work. And I'm going to bring her on the camera. So there she is, in all her glory down there.
Hi.
She walks around in a hoodie, hiding everything. So here she is. So is she going to say a few words? What do we reckon? There's some nerves. There's some nerves. Can we get some words out of her?
Hi.
Oh, we've got a hi. We've got a hi. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen, we have got a hi. And that's it. She's gone nice and shy. So, again, loads of love down in the comments for the Thursday birthday girl. Bring me back on camera now. There she is. She's shy. Look, she's there, hiding, still hiding. Anyway, we do have fun filming these videos. They are purely for entertainment. I'm a mechanic by day, as you're probably well aware if you're a frequent visitor to the channel. Mechanic by day, and I just love doing this stuff on my own car, on the wife's car, which is behind, very much ready for a wash. I'll get to it. We just get the break in the weather and that's it. Everyone's out with the cameras, out with the detailing products and filming everything they absolutely can. Again, it is purely for me because I enjoy doing it, and the entertainment factor of you guys. Maybe picking up a few hints and tips and finding out some great products. So again, thank you very much for joining me on another tech automotive adventure. I'll wash the rest of that off, make the car look shiny, and I will see you in the next one. Catch you in a bit, guys. Ta-da.